Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change the text font size on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is just swipe up on your home screen and then select the setting gear button. And now go down and select where it says display and touch. And then scroll down underneath appearance, select display size and text. And then at this point, you can adjust the font size as well as the display size by just scrolling to the right or left, depending on your preference, and it'll give you a little preview up here. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And once you're done, that's pretty much all you have to do. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.